So I just wanted to do a short video today. It's probably about 34-35 degrees outside right now, and I just want to go around and check on some of these hives. I've got a couple that have just one frame of bees in it, so I just want to see what's going on here. So this is the first one here in the row, and it's showing that cluster is at 54 degrees. I want to see if I can feel the I really can't feel any of the heat on the side, but it is chilly out here. So this next box is the one frame of bees, but they got their little cluster there. This next one's the same thing, one frame of bees, but it's just a little bit bigger of a cluster there. So the nuke right there, barely showing up in this single deep 10 frame box right here, is packed. Probably needs to be split really. So double stack nuke, they've already moved up. Same way with this one, they've pretty much moved up. This one I went through and they've got drones. And another thing, I need to take some, probably a couple frames of brood from this box right here, just to make some room, or I need to add another deep box on top of this. But man, look at that vent hole right there. That's that vent hole right there. Look at the heat coming out of that. I actually feel the heat coming out of that. That's crazy. That's nuts. That keeps my finger warm. Wow. This one right, this box right here actually, it has about, I don't know, 6 frames of bees in it, and the rest is honey. But I could probably put a frame of brood in here for them, but I don't know. I just wanted to come around and just see what's going on, see if we got some heat. But anyway, thanks for watching.